Hello guys, I am Yatinjeet Kaur and I am in a fourth course and also I am a tutor at Inspiring Minds Coaching. So here I am with my new video on the abortion. So let's discuss about this. Generally, abortion is what is the definition of abortion? It is the expulsion or extraction of the fetus less than 500 gram and who is not capable of independent living. सो दिस इज़ द डेफिनेशन. अब फीटस का वेट अगर 500 ग्राम जर्नली जो फीटस होता है ही और शी विल अटेन द वेट ऑफ 500 ग्राम अराउंड 22 वीक्स ऑफ जेस्टेशन और यू कैन से 154 डेज में 154 डेज के अराउंड द फीटस इज़ हैविंग द वेट ऑफ 500 ग्राम्स. Now, abortion के causes, there are many different causes of the abortion, but we generally divide it into the maternal factors and the fetal factors. So what are the maternal factors and the fetal factors? So first we will discuss about the fetal factors. The fetal factors are generally the hydropic degeneration of the villi, the chromosomal abnormality, mainly the trisomy is more common, and the multiple pregnancy, if the female is having the multiple fetus, and then in that case it can be the cause of the abortion. So maternal factors, for maternal factors I have prepared one mnemonic that is timed. T is for trauma and I square, as you can see, I square, one is the infection, other are the immunological factors. Now what infection can cause abortion? The infections like generally by chlamydia can cause abortion, chlamydia, spirochetes can cause, even torch infections are the cause of abortion, brucella can cause. So these are some organisms that can cause the infection and leads to what? Abortion. Now immunological factors, they are the APLA syndrome, all you know, antiphospholipid antibody syndrome. This is one of the most common cause of the abortion nowadays. Okay, so M is for the maternal medical diseases. Maybe the female is having any chronic renal diseases or any cyanotic heart diseases or any hemoglobinopathies. So what are the medical conditions of the female? It can be the cyanotic heart disease, cyanotic heart diseases, it can be the chronic renal diseases, it can be any hemoglobinopathy. These are the some causes of the abortion. Now E scare is the environmental factor. Maybe the female is smoking or alcoholic, so these can be the cause. Alcohol consumption or smoking, or if the female is having the exposure more than 5 rads or any to exposure to any anesthetic gas, it can also leads to abortion. More than 5 rad exposure or any anesthetic gas exposure. Now endocrinological diseases, they include generally the PCODs, any luteal phase defects can be the cause. So diabetes mellitus can also lead to abortion. These are some common endocrinological problems. What are those? One is the PCOD, luteal phase defect, other is the diabetes mellitus, and thyroid diseases can also be the cause diseases. And if there D is for developmental or any anatomical abnormalities. Anatomical abnormalities, the most common one is the Mullerian agenesis. In that you may see the bicornuate uterus that can lead to what? Abortion. So guys, these are the some causes of the abortion. So after that, just we are going to discuss about the types of the abortion. So just There are different types of abortion, the spontaneous and induced. The spontaneous are further classified into different categories. So, classification, abortion is of two types. One is the spontaneous, the other one is induced. Spontaneous, for example, it happens itself. Induced by, you are inducing it by any medical method, by giving any drugs or any surgical method. So the spontaneous abortions are further of various types. One is the threatened abortion. Other is the inevitable, incomplete, complete, missed abortion, and the septic abortion. So we will discuss about one by one about each of them. So first with the threatened abortion. So जब भी first I will give you one case how the female is going to represent here. कोई female आपके पास आया and she is telling doctor her gestational age is, for example, 7 weeks, and she is telling doctor, I am having the pain, abdominal pain, that is crampy in nature, and also I feel like some spotting is there. Okay, so in that case, when you go ultrasound for that female, what you are going to see, you will see the fetus is there, their fetal heartbeat will be normal on the Doppler. So this is the main clinical presentation of any female who is having what? Threatened abortion. Threatened means अभी abortion हुआ नहीं है. You can reverse the condition. You can make the fetus survive. So this is threatened, means it can leads to abortion, but the fetal heart rate is normal. अभी abortion नहीं हुआ. So what are the representation? अगर आप देखेंगे तो vaginal bleeding is present. If we are talking about the passage of the content, it is absent, no passage of content is there. And if you are going on the physical examination, you will see the cervical os is closed. So cervical os is closed, and the fetal heartbeat is present, and you can reverse this condition. This condition is reversible. Okay, तो आप अब इस फीमेल को जो कि शी कैन हैव दिस थ्रेटेंड अबॉर्शन, तो आप क्या उसको प्रिस्क्राइब करोगे कि प्लीज़ टेक बेड रेस्ट, डोंट पिक एनी हैवी थिंग्स और समथिंग. सो दीज आर द मेन थिंग्स. यू हैव टू जस्ट क्रैम दीज थिंग्स अबाउट द थ्रेटेंड अबॉर्शन. नाउ जस्ट कम टू द इनएविटेबल अबॉर्शन. सो अबाउट इनएविटेबल अबॉर्शन व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू सी. इनएविटेबल का मतलब क्या है? दैट इज़ अनअवॉइडेबल. इन जनरल अगर हम इसका मीनिंग देखें, इट इज़ अनअवॉइडेबल मीन्स यू कांट अवॉइड दिस अबॉर्शन, यू कांट सेव द बेबी एट ऑल. बिकॉज वाई यू कांट सेव द बेबी? बिकॉज इन दिस केस द फीटल कार्डियक एक्टिविटीज इज नॉट देयर. सो नो कार्डियक एक्टिविटी on Doppler you can't find any cardiac activity. So vaginal bleeding is there. If you are talking about the passage of content, that is not there. मतलब अभी कोई भी कंटेंट नहीं बाहर आया, कोई भी फीटस का कोई पार्ट या समथिंग, नो कंटेंट पैसेज इज देयर, बट वजाइनल ब्लीडिंग इज देयर, बट नो कार्डियक एक्टिविटीज इज देयर. सो यू कांट सेव द बेबी, you can't save the baby at all because it is irreversible. Now this is about the inevitable patient. Now, how the inevitable abortion female presentation is there. A female comes to you and she is telling doctor, I am having abdominal pain plus that crampy, and I am having the spotting also. That is not mild spotting. The spotting will be little bit more than the mild, and so what you are on the ultrasound, you are seeing the no fetal cardiac activity is there on the Doppler, so you can think that this is there is something wrong. So this is nothing but the inevitable abortion. Now about the incomplete one. So in incomplete one, what you are going to see here, the vaginal bleeding is there. If the passage of the content, you will see some of the content is expelled, not all. So some content expulsion you will see, some content expulsion, some content expulsion you will see. And what you are going to see is on the Doppler, obviously there will be no cardiac activity, so the fetus, in this the fetus is dead, fetus is dead. And what about the os? In this the cervical os is open. Here the cervical os is open, and in inevitable abortion the cervical os, here the os is open, here the os is also open. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे आप कुछ कंटेंट की पैसेज देखोगे, और अगर आप एग्जामिनेशन करेंगे इनकी तो यू विल सी कि उनका जो ऑस है, सर्विकल ऑस, दैट इज़ ओपन. सो दिस इज़ अबाउट द इनकम्प्लीट. नाउ हाउ द फीमेल इज़ गोइंग टू रिप्रेजेंट. वो बोलेगी डॉक्टर आई एम हैविंग द ब्लीडिंग फ्रॉम द 6 आवर्स एंड प्लस उसको बहुत ज़्यादा पेन हो रही है, बहुत ज़्यादा क्रैम्पिंग पेन, और जब उसके कुछ पीसेस वगैरह निकले हैं काइंड ऑफ. So on ultrasound you will see kuch content of conception is still in the uterus. So in that case you are going to say is what it is, she is having the incomplete abortion. Now about the complete abortion. So about the complete abortion. In complete abortion all the product of conception is out. Now what do you see, all the content is expulsion, all content expulsion is there. ओके, सारा कंटेंट निकल चुका है ऑलरेडी. और यहाँ पे वजाइनल ब्लीडिंग भी होगी, वजाइनल ब्लीडिंग इज़ देयर. और अगर हम पैसेज ऑफ द कंटेंट भी देखें, सो पैसेज ऑफ कंटेंट इज़ ऑल्सो देयर. और अगर हम सर्विकल ऑस देखें, यहाँ पे जो सर्विकल ऑस होगा दैट इज़ क्लोज्ड. नाउ वाई, हमने ये भी बोला कि प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कंसेप्शन भी निकल गया और सर्विकल ऑस क्लोज्ड है, मींस वो ऑलरेडी निकल चुका है, और उसके बाद जब वो आपके पास आएगी तो ऑलरेडी वो सब निकल चुका होगा. सो ऑन दैट व्हेन यू गोइंग टू डू द वजाइनल एग्जामिनेशन यू विल सी द सर्विकल ऑस इज क्लोज्ड. Okay, so this is the main presentation of the female with the complete abortion, and the pain is very severe in this case. And now we will going to discuss about the missed abortion. जनरली एक चीज़ याद रखना, सब में एब्डोमिनल पेन सब में होगी, सब में ब्लीडिंग मैक्सिमम सभी में होती है, सिवाय सिर्फ एक मिस्ड में नहीं होगी ब्लीडिंग. So these are some common symptoms. Bleeding will be there, abdominal pain will be there. So just discuss about then about the missed abortion. Now missed abortion, you will not going to see what, vaginal bleeding is absent, product of conception is absent, means product of conception is inside the uterus but absent, passage of the passage of the content is absent. It is passage. And all the product of conception is where? Inside the uterus itself. In the uterus, okay. And if you are going to see the cervical os, it is closed. No bleeding is there, no passage of any content, and the cervical os is closed. Means इसमें क्या आप देखोगे अल्ट्रासाउंड में कि बेबी वहीं पे है, यूट्रस में ही है, बट उसकी जो जब आप डॉपलर पे देखोगे उसकी हार्ट बीट, सो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू हेयर एनी हार्ट बीट ओवर देयर. सो हेयर नो fetal cardiac activity. Okay, so this is about the missed abortion. How a female comes to you, she will having the pain will be there but no vaginal bleeding, और ये सब आप देखेगी, कोई बाकी bleeding वगैरह कुछ नहीं होगी, तो उसको पेन ही बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है. तो आप क्या देखोगे उसकी, जब अल्ट्रासाउंड आप करोगे तो आप देखोगे कि नो हार्ट fetal cardiac activity is there. So in that case you will go for some management like surgical management or any medical management. For that we are just going to discuss first how you are going to diagnose this. Now about the diagnosis. In septic abortion, the things you are have to going to remember is जनरली फीमेल का जो फीवर होगा इसको मोर देन 38 डिग्री, जो कि प्रेसिस्टेंट होगा 24 आवर्स के लिए, और कुछ मोस्ट कॉमन जो बैक्टीरिया होता है दैट कॉजेज द सेप्टिक abortion is the streptococcus. So just remember about septic is just this. Or one more thing about septic, it is further having some grade system. The grade 1, because septic abortion has some other severe complications. Grade 2 and grade 3. Now what is grade 1, grade 2 and grade 3 septic abortion? Grade 1 is usually it is confined to the uterus and it can cause what? Endometritis. Endometritis. As it is confined to uterus, in that it can cause what? Inflammation of the endometrium. Grade 2, यहाँ पे जो septic it is in this it is confined to what? To the pelvis. So in that case it is called what? Peritonitis, parametritis, or any peritonitis. And grade 3 इसमें क्या होगा? ये in general total abdominal perforation वगैरह करके abdominal peritonitis करेगा. So this is one of the severe form. So this is about the septic abortion. Now how you are going to diagnose? Generally हम imaging method करते हैं. So imaging में हम जाएंगे what? Ultrasound. Ultrasound में as I told you individual things about you are going to see, and one you can go for the speculum examination. In this you can see कि कहाँ से bleeding हो रही है, कितनी quantity में हो रही है. So all these things you are going to see via speculum examination. Other you can go for what? Vaginal examination. Digital vaginal examination. In this you can see मतलब आप देख सकते हो कि जो cervical os है वो open है कि closed है, सब things. Okay. Whether the os is open or not. Okay. So these are some method of investigation that you are going to see. So how you are going to manage is this patient, it is important. So management, for management it is two types. One is the surgical management, other is what? Medical management. In surgical management आप क्या करोगे? Just you can go for dilation and curettage. curettage or any suction and evacuation आप कर सकते हो. So these things you are going to do, dilation and curettage and suction and evacuation. In medical management, first you will go with the drug that is mifepristol and misoprostol. In general आजकल डॉक्टर्स जनरली combined देते हैं, combination of miso and mifepristol plus mifepristol. Okay, other you can these are the some complication, or you surgically हम ऐसे करेंगे. Now after just doing the management, what you are going to do, you just go for the follow up. ओके, इन फॉलो अप आप क्या करोगे कि आप बीटा एचसीजी लेवल को मॉनिटर करते रहोगे आफ्टर द अबॉर्शन, जब तक जो कि बीटा एचसीजी लेवल है वो मतलब अनडिटेक्टेबल नहीं होता. ओके ना, इन नॉर्मल तो नहीं होता बीटा एचसीजी. सो जब तक आपको बीटा एचसीजी बिल्कुल ज़ीरो नहीं होता है इन द रिपोर्ट्स, तब तक आप उसको मॉनिटर करते रहोगे. और जनरली हम ये मेडिकल में ये क्यों देते हैं, बिकॉज मे बी अ फीमेल कम्स टू यू, अगर उसका प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कंसेप्शन इन अंदर ही रह जाए तो इन दैट केस हम उसको मेडिकल मैनेजमेंट देंगे. ये डोसेज होती है 4 गोलियां मतलब देते हैं हम दिन में और रात में. और अगर द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कंसेप्शन रिमेन इंटैक्ट, इट कैन लीड्स टू वेरी सीवियर कॉम्प्लिकेशन, इट कैन लीड्स टू सेप्टिक अबॉर्शन. ऑब्वियसली यू कैन सी इसके फर्दर क्या कॉम्प्लिकेशन, एंडोमेट्राइटिस, पेरोटिनाइटिस एंड पेरिटोनाइटिस. देयर इज़ अ वेरी सीवियर कॉम्प्लिकेशन ऑफ these conditions. So guys, this is all about the abortion, and please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, join our Telegram group, and if you are guys having any particular topic you want from me, so please comment in the comment section, and thanks for watching my video.